This is Steven, aka DJ Question Mark. He's a professional DJ and music producer. Several years ago, he released his first vinyl album. Many of his friends bought it, but he noticed that they would use the album just as decoration. When he asked him, suddenly, something came up. I can make something that makes vinyl listening more accessible, he told himself. And there it is, Spinbox. Spinbox is a DIY turntable that is easy to build, easy to use, and fully supports all kinds of vinyl records. Inside every Spinbox, you'll get a complete DIY turntable kit. Just follow the instruction and you will be able to assemble an all-in-one record player by yourself with no sweat. So, everything you need to begin exploring the world of vinyl is in the box, literally. Spinbox was made to be extremely light and portable. The body is made of cardboard, and we kept the design as simple as possible. Connect Spinbox to any regular USB charger or USB power bank to enjoy hours of music anywhere you like. The high-quality built-in speakers enable you to play your vinyl right away. However, you can always connect your Spinbox to external sound devices for better experience. You can also use the line-in function and transform your Spinbox into a portable speaker. Also, customizing your Spinbox is fun, and the possibilities are endless. In short, with Spinbox, all you need to do is build, plug, and play. Simple as that. You've built the chair, you've built the table, you might have even built a family. But have you ever built your own record player? Now you have a once-in-a-lifetime chance. With Spinbox, building your own record player has never been easier. The ultimate goal for Spinbox is to bring more people into the vinyl community and make vinyl listening more accessible and fun. By building your own record player with the Spinbox DIY kit, you can enjoy vinyl wherever, whenever. Spinbox, for everyone, everywhere.